A common problem I see is riders pulling in the clutch all the way to shift gears, also while they're practicing low speed maneuvers. So there's a point on every single bike where you pull in the clutch enough where you take away all the power and then you ease it out a little bit more. It's just like a half of an inch, and that's called the friction zone, right? And that's all you have to pull it in. That's as far as you need to pull it in to shift gears, and you ease it right back out. Same thing when practicing low speed maneuvers. Whenever I'm doing U-turns or practicing my Moto Jitsu drills, my clutch is never fully 100% in, nor is it really a fully 100% out. I'm just kind of playing right there in that friction zone. So a little bit of power, pull it back in. A little bit of power, the bike feels like it's gonna fall, ease out the clutch, give the bike power, a little bit too fast, I'm just playing in the friction zone. Same thing when shifting. When I go to shift gears, I don't pull the clutch in all the way, because then you have this humongous dead space where nothing is happening before the bike starts to catch again. You see what I'm saying? So whenever you shift gears up or down, you just need to pull it in enough to shift and then go right back out. You don't have to use all 100% of the range of motion of the clutch. You just need to pull it in enough to get to the friction zone, and that's it.